There will be no milling on the sawmill today. We got a cleanup to do from the last storm. As you might have seen the last short. Probably got, looks like close to a foot. It's packed down a little bit, got a little wet. Yeah, I won't be sawing anything for a little while. Trying to get this cleaned up a little bit before it gets too heavy. And we're due for a stretch of decent warmer weather. It's going to make it really harder to clean up. So, anyway, let's hope spring is close. Y'all have a good one.